Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're dividing into something that affect all of us here in Aroa, Zamboanga del Sur. Societal problem, and it easy to cap up in our routines. But it is important to acknowledge the challenges we face and think about how we can make difference. So one of the issue that hard to ignore is waste management. You probably seen it overflowing trash bins, litter scattered around, and even waste polluting on our rivers. This isn't just an eyesore, it's a real problem that impacts on our health and environment. The improper disposal of waste can lead disease, harmful wildlife, and damage on our beautiful natural resources. It also creates stress among us residents in Arwa, Zamboanga del Sur. So the question is, what can we do? So here's the good news. We can all be part of the solution. Start by proper segregating your waste at home. Participate in recycling program and encourage your family and friends to do the same. Join the community cleanup drives to help remove litters from our streets and parks. Even small action can make big difference when we all work together. So in conclusion, let's take pride in our community and work together to create a cleaner, healthier Arwa Zamboanga del Sur.
All is like an open heart.